Here, give it to me. I'll throw it away. Open this present. No, you don't have to open. Go ahead, open the present. What is that? What did Santa Claus get for you? Open it up. I know.
Yeah.
Do you know how to open the present?
Yeah.
Tear the paper.
Man, that's a baby bear.
That's the baby bear.
A baby bear.
Frankie,
Baby,
come here.
baby bear. Baby bear.
Come on, rip it open.
Baby bear.
Rip it.
Baby bear. Baby bear.
Rip.
Rip it so we can see what's in there. Good one. Frankie, come here. Frankie.
Here. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Rip. Fast.
A baby bear now. A big heart.
What's in there?
A big good heart.
I know, there's a guitar.
Go, rip it open. Come on. Rip. Rip it.
What did Santa bring for Ben?
Come on, buddy.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh no, Santa brought Ben a guitar? I gotta get the scissors. Rip it open, let's see what Santa
See.
brought for Ben.
Rip it. Rip. Yeah.
What is it? What did Santa bring for Ben?
Okay.
Open.
See it?